Credit Improvement Service. Apurva is moving forward with a mission to uplift people to live with financial freedom through financial education and debt resolution. If you are challenged with credit issue, if you are new to credit and have no credit history, if you want to build or rebuild credit score, if you want to rectify your challenges in credit report, if you want to be credit healthy, Apurva is a one-stop solution for all your challenges with Credit Improvement Service. With thousands of happy customers and presence in Pan-India with 108 branches in 90 cities of 21 states, Apurva is offering you an end-to-end credit improvement and credit rectification services. The service of free credit counseling, where Apurva has been providing free, professional and confidential credit counseling service to people all over the country. The team of certified counselors will conduct easy and stress-free counseling for you to identify and acknowledge your credit issue by providing the best of its kind legal solution to help you. The service of free credit counseling will be beneficial to you to have personalized solution for every query, receive a roadmap to resolve your query, help to review your credit fact and misconceptions. The service of evaluation and recommendation, where the team of certified counselor will collect all the necessary documentations and information from you to pull a valid and authentic credit information report (CIR) from leading credit bureaus in India: TransUnion CIBIL, Equifax, Experian, CRIF Highmark. On receipt of your credit information report, the counselor will provide you in detail evaluation and understanding of what is on your credit report and interpret the findings to you with remedial action to overcome challenges. Apurva advises their valuable customers not to share their confidential information for free report generation. The service of evaluation and recommendation will be beneficial to you to gain full understanding of your credit information report and history, to help to know current credit score, to know the challenges in your credit health, to help to keep your credit history healthy, to help to protect yourself against identity theft and fraud. The service of updation of negative flags, where the dedicated team of Apurva coordinates with the credit bureau and your creditors to challenge any inaccuracy or error reflecting on your credit information report that affects your credit health and score. Apurva will ensure your credit history is updated with recent, accurate and error-free information that will further create value for you to be honest and credit-worthy as per CIC guidelines. The services of negative flags will be beneficial to you to improve your current credit standing, to improve your chances of credit card and loan approval, to have negotiation power with bank for ROI. The service of improved credit score, where Apurva will help you to improve your credit score. Your credit score is more than just a number, though it is a numerical expression based on detailed analysis of the person's credit history to represent the credit worthiness of an individual. It is primarily based on a credit information report, typically sourced from credit bureaus. A better credit score can help you to unlock the things you want most. A credit score reflects credit payment patterns over time with more emphasis on recent information. The service of improved credit score will be beneficial to you to get lower interest rate on loan, to get discount on loan processing fees and other charges, to get credit card with better benefits and rewards, to get better employment opportunity. The service of debt management, where if you are struggling with any debt like credit card or loans, Apurva will stand by your side to help you to gain financial freedom by negotiating with your creditors for reducing the total amount that you owe. Based on your financial situation, the Apurva can also consider negotiating on the principal amount owed by you in terms of restructuring, facilitating with EMI options in a legal way. The service of debt management will be beneficial to you to get waiver or reduction in high interest rates, to eliminate late and over limit fees, to free from harassing calls from creditors and collection agencies, to reduce monthly payments. To know your current credit standing, contact Apurva.